An IV medication of 15 mcg in 200 mLs is ordered to infuse over 2 hours. The normal range is 1.5 to 3 mcg per kilogram per hour, and the child weighs 39.6 pounds. The first thing that they want us to do is find the dosage range per hour. So I want to start with the weight. So 39.6 divided by 2.2, and we get 18 kilograms. Then I need to put that in a proportion with the 1.5 to 3 mcg over 1 kilogram so that the kilograms match. And we get 27 to 54 mcg. And the time frame on this is per hour. So next they want us to find the dosage infusing per hour, and this is where it depends on if they provide the pump rate or not. So the pump rate is in mLs per hour, and they do not provide this. So question number 8 is the second option. We need to take the powder drug and either multiply or divide. So the powder drug is going to be the 15 mcg. And again, we're so used to using the 15 mcg over 200 mLs, like we're always using these two together. But for this chapter, we're just taking the powder drug part. We're not using the 200 mLs. So it's 15 mcg. Now, this is over 2 hours, and they want it to be per hour. So I need to divide by 2. And again, this is because the 15 was over 2 hours. So divide 15 by 2 to get 7.5 mcg per 1 hour. And then compare it with the 27 to 54, and this is too low.